Hi, today for the XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. First, open the settings and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just to connect to networks, tap on it and enter the password. If you want to see the password, just click once on this eye icon to have no sound mistakes. After that, just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just use another network by the same way, tap on it, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you could switch between these two networks. So just to activate and turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use the switcher, then just select network, enter the password, and tap to connect. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel, and here you'll find the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.